In this video, I will show you how to use track changes in LibreOffice Writer. So before we track anything, we need to set your identity. This makes sure your changes are clearly labeled. So go to Tools, right here, and to the Options. On some system, this might be called Preferences under the LibreOffice menu. Both lead to the same place. In the Options window, open LibreOffice right here and then select User Data. Now enter your name and your initials. Everything now that, yeah, it's enough that you put your name and initials, everything. Now every changes you make will be clearly marked as yours. Now let's enable tracking. So go to Edit and then track changes. So right here and click record. Once record is on, LibreOffice will log every changes you make. This includes typing, deleting, and even formatting changes. So if you don't see anything yet, don't worry. Go back to Edit, Track Changes, and make sure Show is enabled. So right here, if it is, we can check if it's really enabled. So how you see that it's enabled? Right here, if I do the change with that, you will see here the lines now on the left. But if you placed your name, it will be shown right over here. Um, but yeah, if you don't want to be annoyed by this um, show off, so you can just turn it off. Now you see that it's gone, but the LibreOffice will still record everything in the background, so turn show back on anytime to see all changes again. So this is how you can track changes in LibreOffice. So I hope this video was helpful. Consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.